Hello guys, my name is Engineer Alide. We want to solve this problem and I want you to listen. Now, this problem is a kind of love shape. You see, find the perimeter of the shape and the area. How do we find perimeter and area of the shape? How do you find the perimeter and area of the shape? Now, if you check from here to this place is what given as 3.5. This is a what? A semicircle, a smaller semicircle with radius 3.5. The other semicircle with radius the same from P to Q, of P to Q. PQ, this is Q, point Q is equal to what? QR, which is what? That means from here to this place, from P to Q is 7 centimeter. And from Q to what? R is also what? 7 centimeter. I haven't known that the radius is 3.5. Here is 3.5. Total is what? 7 centimeter. And here is also what? 7 centimeter. Now, knowing fully well that R is the center. R is what? Center of what? Of what? PS. R is the center of PS. This is an arc. Actually, this is a what? A bigger circle, very big, having a center here. Then this one is also a bigger circle, having a center here. So that means PS has a center at R. Then RS has a center. P is what? The center of what? Of RX arc. PS arc, RS arc. Now, having known that, that means that from P to what? If I draw this line like this is a radius of this circle that should be completed if at all we want to complete it. And from here to this place, here to here is 7, here to here is 7. That means the radius of this is 14 centimeter. If I draw another one from this, for this particular circle now, if I draw its radius to touch what? X. This is also what? 14 cm. Also, if I draw a what? A line from R to what? To S, this is also 14 cm. 14 cm. So if you understand that now, you will understand that that means this particular arc is a what? Is a full circle that have a center here. So from here to this place is radius of the circle, of this particular circle, if completed. Then from here to here is radius of this circle if completed. Then from here to this place is radius of this circle if completed. So that means what we are seeing is actually what? This triangle is an equilateral triangle. What does that mean by equilateral triangle? That means PR is equal to what? RX is equal to what? SP. PR equal to RS equal to SP, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Similarly, that means angle of R is equal to what? Angle of what? P is equal to angle of X, which is equal to what? 60 degree. So here is 60, here is 60, and here is also what? 60 degree. So sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degree. So in that case now, what we are going to do now is simply first of all, for us to find the perimeter of this shape, we need to what? First of all, find the what? This shape like this, the length of this arc. So that means the perimeter is equal to what? PQ curve, the arc PQ, arc or the curve PQ, as the case may be, plus what? Curve what? QR plus the arc P what? RX, this arc RS, then plus arc what? P what? X. So that is how to find the perimeter of the shape. So we go ahead to look for the perimeter. Now, first of all, what we want to do now is let's look for the curve PQ. The curve PQ is what? Is a semicircle. And area of perimeter of a semicircle is what? 2 pi r. Don't forget, perimeter is actually talking about the total length of a particular shape. So in that case now, we will just either we use this what to get the PQ, we use 2 pi r, or we use pi d. So if you use pi is what? 22/7 times what? D, which is what? 7. The diameter of this shape 7. So this one will cancel. We would have 22 centimeter. So that means PQ is what? 22. That means QR. PQ is what? That means curve. PQ is equal to what? Curve what? QR, which is also what? 22 centimeters. So we have got it here to be 22, here to be 22. So we have got it from here to here 22, here to here 22. Now what we need now is what? The arc PX. If you can get arc PS, I can get arc P what? RS, because arc PS is equal to what? Arc what? RS. Why? Because they have the same radius. This circle have the same radius, this circle have the same radius with this. So they have the same thing. And for you to calculate this arc, you need to use length of arc. What is the formula for length of arc? Arc PS is equal to theta over 360 times what? 2 pi r. That is formula for length of arc. So that means that we are going to have what? 60 degree is the angle suspended by the arc PS at the center. This is center of what? Of this particular circle, if it's properly drawn. So this one have what? 60 divided by 360 times what? 2 times 22/7 times what is the radius now for this bigger one is 14. So 14 is the radius. So this one will give us 7 year 1, 7 year 2. So 60 year 1, or let's say 0 cancel 0, then 6, or we cancel itself, 6 divided by 6. 6 go in 36, we are going to have 6. So we have 6, then 2 year 1, 2 year what? 3. So we are going to have what at what? 44, 22 times 2, 44/3. And 44/3 is for both what? PQ and arc Q what? R. Now what do you do now? What you just need to do, just divide 44. How many? 1, remember what? 1, and we are going to have, because if you divide 4 divided by 3, you have 1. Put the 1 there. Then 14 divided by 3, you are going to have what? 4, remainder 2. But you cannot divide it, put 0. Then 2 adds to 0 to the 2. We have 20 divided by 3, you have 6. Again, 6. Again, and so forth and so on. So you can say 14.67. So in that case, approximately centimeter. So the perimeter now of this shape we have gotten here to be what? 14.67 from here to this place. Here from P to X is 14.67 centimeter. From this point to this place is what? 22 centimeter. Then from here to this place also what? 22 centimeter. So the perimeter is total length of the shape. So we'll add them together. 22 centimeter plus, look at it, 22 centimeter plus what? 22 centimeter plus 14.67 centimeter plus what? 14.67 what? Centimeter. So what do we have? We just add them together and we'll get our final answer. This is 22 plus 22 is 44. Now 14.67 plus 14.67 should give us 14 carry 1, this 12, 13 carry 1, this 8, 9, then 2, 29 point what? 0.34. So 14.4 plus what? 29.234. And that will give us 44.00. Was add it together again. 4, 3, 3 carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7. That means 73.34 centimeter is the total what? Perimeter of the shape. So I want to engage you. I want to engage you by what? You find the what? The area. Find the what? The area of the shape. That will be next video that I want to talk about. Please, if you are watching this video and you are just watching me for the first time, just click the word and the subscription button, and also click the notification button in case I drop a video, you see it. By special grace of God, we'll be learning new things and in an easy way in this channel. Also, give me a top up if you enjoy the class, if you just want to show that you appreciate the class. But I also want to see your answer of area of the shape. I want to engage you. Give me the area of this love shape. So thank you for watching.